everybody, this is Riya. Welcome to the Price of Cambodia, Angkor Wat. Today's video we have come to learn about the new development in front of the Angkor complex. They making the new road is just finished, and they also making the new garden. Lots of trees already planted. Most of them are very rare, and they hire lots of gardeners to take care of this garden. Angkor Wat translates a city of temples or city temple. It was built in the 12th century and is the largest religious monument in the world. Every year, millions of people come to visit the temples. This incredible temple has become the very symbol of Cambodia and even found on our flag. I think it's really fantastic that Cambodian government take this time while there's no tourists to make a huge improvement in Siem Reap. Not only this project, but they also make the new 38 roads in Siem Reap. So if you are interested to check, we already made the video about that road. Check the link here. If you've been to Angkor Wat before, you might remember there's a lot of makeshift store selling souvenirs around this area, and now they have moved to the brand new market. Let's go and have a look. This brand new market is a major part of the new complex. It has taken over a year to be completed, so now it's ready for the tourists to return back to Cambodia. One of the biggest problems in Cambodia is littering. People don't understand very much the problem with single-use of plastic. So it's really great to see the recycling bins around the temple. One of the new services provided are locker. You can see they have big lockers, small locker and safe. Lock it and you take the key while you explore the temple. You don't have to carry your stuff around. And you can see the price are very reasonable. The same company has strollers for the younger visitor and the wheelchair for the elderly and disabled visitor. These are for rent. There's $2 and $3 for 3 hours. As you can see, this place is now under the construction, but when it's finished, it's going to be amazing. They will have the conference rooms, first aid room, information center, mini mart, spa place, restaurant, cafe, and even playground. And in the future, they will build a stage where the visitor can watch the traditional Cambodian dancing. I really love the way that they have incorporated the trees that were already here into the garden. I am enjoying a cold drink with the beautiful view of Angkor Wat. I hope you enjoyed this video and find out it interesting to learn more about the changing of the Angkor complex. Once it's finished, we will update you in the next video. So please make sure to subscribe and click the bell notification so you will not miss the next video. Until next time, please stay safe. Bye-bye. You can see the lock here. I used to see it in the internet. They have it in South Korea, but now they have in front of the Angkor Wat. Like a lock for love, I'm not sure. But we'll wait and see until they finish.